is going to get any sensible information. Do you get me? So the person is going to keep off. Do you get me? So it's very important for you to download application from App Store and Play Store, because it's the most trustful website or company for you. You get me? That's the reason why when you buy an iOS device, you have already installed the App Store on it, and it cannot be, uninstalled. So as you can see over here, this cannot be uninstalled. So just have a look. It cannot be uninstalled. So as you can see, cancel and what remove. It cannot be uninstalled, but something like this can be uninstalled. See, just have a see, just as you can see, uninstall over here and remove. So this means that it has been already registered and it's a trusted website or application. So you have to download apps from this place. Do you get me? It's very important. Do you get me? Yeah. So this is how to get to know whether someone can track you, your messages, or phone calls. So it's very easy. So when you guys are using an application, you just have to go to the app info. When you get to the app info of the app, let's say this let me use Google as an example. When you tap on Google, you're going to see permissions over here. So Google has has access to my camera, my location, my microphone, my storage, and also my contact. So Google has access to all these on my phone, because I trust Google. Google Chrome is a legit website and it's a good website that I trust. So if you trust the website, you're going to allow everything. So as you can see, I can even allow this to get access to my contact. So as you can see, it can get access to my contact, my location, my microphone, my storage, and also everything about my phone. Do you get me? So when the app is not a legit app and you allowed everything over here like this, as you can see, this is allowed, all are allowed. So when you allow this and the app is not a legit app, the person who developed the app or the person who owns the app is going to get access to your camera, which when it gets access to your camera, you're going to get access to your photos, to get me, and your videos. And when you get access to your contact, it can see your numbers. The person can see your numbers and other things on your contact list. And also it can get access to your location, where you are when you are in United States, you are in UK, United Kingdom, or any other country. Do you get me? And also the person can get access to your microphone. With a microphone, when you make calls, the person can get access to it, to get to hear your calls, to know your calls. And also the person can get access to your storage. Do you get me? Wherever you store your files and also your things. You get me? So as you can see with the storage, it shows file manager symbol over here. So this is how to get to know whether someone can hack your account, or whether someone can track your messages and phone calls. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friend. So can you, or can your SMS or message be tracked? Yes, it can be tracked when you download an application or a software from an unknown source, which is on the internet. And also they have been asking questions that can your cell phone or your mobile phone calls be tracked? Of course it can be tracked when you download a software or a software or an application from unknown source. That's the reason why I recommend you downloading apps from Google Play Store, because Google Play Store is the trusted app for you. It's a trusted app and website for you, so you have to use Google Chrome. And also sometimes too, I'll be talking about this later, but let me blur it for you guys to get to know this. And also, you see, we have a whole lot of browsers over here, but I mostly use Google Chrome because I trust Google Chrome. Some people use Brave browser because they want to add display, like they want to hide they don't want ads to show on when searching on the internet. So sometimes I've been using it, but not mostly for important things. When I'm doing things that are privately, I use Google Chrome because Google is a trusted company that I really like. So that is this In my next video, I'll be talking about the website. Today I was talking about